Hi guys, Ronnie here. Thanks for stopping by. I always love when you guys stop by. I love talking to you. Today's video, I'm not gonna be building something out of wood actually. I am gonna try to build something though. I'll tell you what that is in a second. But imposter syndrome, right? You saw the thumbnail. And what is imposter syndrome? What does that have to do with woodworking? Well, I'm not a doctor, I'm not a psychiatrist, psychologist, wise guy. Well, I am a wise guy sometimes, but I don't know the clinical definition of imposter syndrome. But what it is to me is thinking in your mind that you're not really that person that you're putting out there that you are, or you want to put out there that you are. You know what I mean? So for example, about 1.5 years ago, I started building and selling furniture, and I actually started this YouTube channel about then too at the same time. Talk about imposter syndrome. I'm like, who's this guy? Who am I to start a new YouTube channel about teaching and helping people build and sell furniture that I'm just starting to do myself, right? What is that? I mean, there's 100 other channels of people that are far more skilled and way more accomplished that know how to do that. And then furniture, I mean, putting a piece of furniture I just built up for sale. Wow. Who am I to think my furniture is good enough to sell with among all the other ones that are out there for sale? It's a real thing, imposter syndrome. And I get it. I mean, you might be thinking to yourself some of the same things, and maybe that's holding you back from getting started. So what got me going on that is, look, with the attitude is of we are all unique individuals. We bring our own talents and strengths and outlooks on life, and I think that's an awesome thing. So one of the I like to call them gifts that I have is encouragement. I love to encourage people, to try to motivate people to take action. To me, the taking action part, striving for something, is awesome to see. I mean, that's a huge accomplishment. Whether you achieve the end goal or not, to me, it's seeing the effort put forth to actually go for that. That takes a lot of courage, it takes discipline, and to me, that's the winner in my book. So part of this channel, big part of it is the motivation factor and the encouragement and the you can do it attitude, right? You guys can do this. So that helps me overcome some of the imposter syndrome that I deal with on this channel. And being Thanksgiving week here in the US, I have about, as of this recording, 703 things to be thankful for. And that's you guys. 703 of you have subscribed to my channel. You thought enough of this guy and what he brings to actually subscribe. I think that's awesome, right? I think that's awesome. You guys sticking by to see what I have to say. So in return, I'm thankful for that, and I want to encourage you, to motivate you to move and take action and accomplish what you want to accomplish. So what do you need to do? Well, you tell me. Comment below or send me a message. I love getting messages of you guys, and pictures, especially if you build something, and send me the pictures, send me what you're doing, what you're trying to do. I love that. I love that. So what do you got to do? What do you got to do? I don't know. I don't know your situation, but it's a woodworking channel basically, so I kind of have an idea. So maybe you need to clean a spot in the garage, right? To give yourself a little bit of room so that power tool you buy on Craigslist or Facebook Marketplace will fit in that room. So you can build that first piece of furniture that you can turn around and sell. Maybe you need to watch another YouTube video or two on how to accomplish that, right? Maybe you need to stage it, learn lighting, learn how to post on Facebook Marketplace. A little plug for some other of my videos. There's something there that is holding you back. Procrastination, doubt. I'm trying to get rid of that. I'm trying to clear that for you guys, show you, you know, you can be on your way to do it, because look at this guy. Look, I just turned 60 not too long ago. I still can't believe half my life is over already, but turning 60 has got me thinking about how many days did I waste of not doing anything really. Not accomplishing or putting forth the effort to accomplish what I wanted to do. But you can't dwell on that. You got to look ahead. You can't dwell on the past. So if you are sitting there thinking, yeah, I wasted a lot of those days too. No, don't do that. Don't do that. Start as soon as you hit the stop button on this video. Do something that will further yourself onto the road of what you want to accomplish. So when you're done watching this video, maybe you go watch another video on some other aspect of what you want to get done. But just do it. Just do it. You guys, like I said, it's Thanksgiving week here in the States. And for those of you outside of the States, I'd like to know if you have an equivalent holiday you guys celebrate, like being thankful or something like that. I'd love to know that in the comments. Love to learn about other cultures and what you guys celebrate. And if you would do that for me. So take care. I hope this has motivated you, and I will catch you on the next video when I actually build something out of wood. See you later.